10th class physics, reflection of light at curved surface. Lab activity 1. Describe an experiment to observe types of images formed by a concave mirror and measure the object distance and image distance. Aim: observing types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the concave mirror. Material required: a candle, a paper, concave mirror, known focal length, V stand, measuring tape or meter scale. Procedure: place the concave mirror on V stand. It is a concave mirror. Keep on V stand. A candle and meter scale are as shown in the figure. It is a meter scale. Keep the candle at different lengths from the mirror. 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter or 70 or 80 centimeter along the axis and by moving the paper. Find the position where we get the sharp image on the paper. Place the concave mirror on V stand. A candle and meter scale are as shown in the figure. Keep the candle at different lengths from the mirror. Keep the candle first time, keep the candle at the 80 centimeter distance. Second case, 70 centimeter distance and 60 centimeter distance, 50, 40, 30, 20 and the 10 centimeter distance. We'll observe the where we get the sharp image on the white paper. Note down the observations in table 1. Observation number: distance of candle from mirror, distance of paper from mirror V, enlarged or diminished, inverted or erected. Number 1, the candle keep the distance from 60 centimeter. The distance of paper from the mirror is the 60 centimeter. Nature of the image is the same size of the image and inverted or the erect, that is the inverted image formed in front of the mirror. The first, number 1, object placed from the mirror at a distance of 60 centimeter. The image distance is the 60 centimeter. Distance of paper from the mirror means image distance is the 60 centimeter. Distance of the candle from the mirror means object distance is the 60 centimeter. The nature of the image is the same size. And that is the inverted or the erect. Second one, the object or the candle placed 50 centimeter from the mirror. The image formed from the mirror is the 70 centimeter. Type of the image is the enlarged and the inverted. The candle placed 40 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image formed 80 centimeter distance from the mirror. Enlarged and the inverted. Fourth one, the object placed 30 centimeter from the mirror. The image formed at the infinity. Very big size image formed. That image is the inverted image. Inverted means reverse. This type of the image. This is the object. This is known as the erect. This is the inverted. The object placed 20 centimeter from the mirror. The image formed 25 centimeter in the mirror. In the mirror. The image is the enlarged and the erect. The object placed 10 centimeter from the mirror. The object distance is the 15 centimeter in the mirror, enlarged and the erect. The object placed greater than 60 centimeter. The object placed at the 60 centimeter distance and the 70 centimeter distance or the 80 centimeter distance. The image formed 50 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image is the diminished. Diminished means small size. The smaller than the object. That is the diminished and the inverted. First one, the object placed 60 centimeter from the mirror. The image formed 60 centimeter from the mirror. So this is not the object distance is equal to the image distance. The size of the image is the same size. The nature is the inverted. And second one, 50 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image distance is the 70 centimeter and the image is the enlarged and the inverted. The object placed 40 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image distance is the 80 centimeter enlarged and inverted. We know the focal length of the concave mirror. Here, focal length of the concave mirror is the 30 centimeter. Focal length of the mirror is the 30 centimeter means the center of the radius of the curvature is the 60 centimeter. Here, the object placed 20 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image formed 25 centimeter from the mirror. In the mirror. In the mirror means the image formed backside of the mirror. The image is the enlarged and erect. The object placed 10 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image formed 15 centimeter in the mirror. In the mirror means the image formed backside of the mirror. The image is the enlarged and erect. The object placed greater than 60 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image formed at the 50 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image is the diminished and the inverted. Since we know the focal point and center of curvature, from the above observation we know the focal point and center of curvature. We can reclassify the above observations as shown in the following table 1. Then note down the observations in table 2. Position of the candle, position of the image, enlarged or diminished, inverted or erect, real or virtual. The object placed between mirror and the focal point F. The focal point of the mirror, the object placed in between the mirror and the focal point, the image formed behind the mirror. The image is the enlarged and erect and visual image. Visual image means the image formed in the mirror. That means backside of the mirror at focal point. The object placed at the focal point. Object means candle placed at the focal point. The image formed at the infinity. Third one, the object placed between the focal point and the center of the curvature. That means distance between the distance in between the 30 centimeter and the 60 centimeter from the above figure. The image formed behind C. The image is the enlarged, inverted and real. The object placed at the center of the curvature C. C means the object placed at the 60 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image also formed on the 60 centimeter distance from the mirror. That means on the center of the curvature. Same size of the image formed and inverted and the real. Real image means the image formed in front of the mirror is known as the real image. And the object placed behind C, the image formed between focus and the center of the curvature. The image is the diminished, inverted and the real image. Only the object placed less than 30 centimeter distance, the nature of the image is the visual. Visual image means the image formed backside of the mirror. Finally, we know that the object placed in front of the mirror, that means in between the pole and the focus, the image formed behind the mirror. The image is the enlarged, erect and visual. Second one, the object placed at the focal point, the image formed at the infinity. The object placed between the focus and the center of the curvature, the image formed behind C. Behind C means greater than 60 centimeter distance from the mirror. The image is the enlarged, inverted and the real. The object placed at the center of the curvature, the image also formed same distance from the mirror, that is on C. Same size of the image and inverted and real. Behind center of the curvature. Behind center of the curvature. The object placed behind the center of the curvature. The image formed between focus and the center of the curvature. The nature of the image is the diminished, inverted and the real.